Hi, welcome back to Chem 102 Lab at California State University of Northridge. Today we'll be going over Experiment 3, the iodine clock reaction. First, let's go ahead and remind ourselves how to use a volumetric pipette. So the graduated pipette is very similar to what we're using today, the volumetric pipette. If you remember, the graduated pipette had a bunch of lines on it. The volumetric pipette only has one. It is very, very accurate. So you'll just draw the liquid all the way up to the line and you'll release it. There'll be a little bit left on the end, but that's fine. If you try to push it out, you'll end up delivering more than 5 milliliters of the solution that you want. So again, we'll need our bowl and our pipette. So like last time, you'll squeeze and then you'll suck up the solution. And with this one, you have to be really accurate about the line. Anything over or under is not 5 milliliters. So this takes a little bit of practice. But with a little bit of practice, you can get it. So after you get this, again, you go over to whatever beaker or flask that you want to put your solution in, and you just let it go. Remember, we don't want to take this and squeeze out the liquid because we'll end up delivering more than 5 milliliters. So we'll just have to wait. And there you have it. So when we're doing this reaction, we have to use a starch indicator to observe when our reaction is over. Right now, we're going to show you what happens if you forget to add your starch indicator. So these two test tubes are exactly the same. They filled with the same thing, just some potassium iodide and some diluted with some water. We're going to add a drop of starch to the one on the left. Two drops, just to be safe. Make sure that's mixed around real well. Now for this reaction to go, we have to add the persulfate. So let's just add 1 pump of persulfate. There's the difference. Now because this is super concentrated, you'll see that this is turning a dark yellow on the right without the starch indicator. When you guys are doing your experiments, you'll be diluting your solutions. So this dark yellow will actually be very, very faint, and it'll be really hard to see as compared to this with the starch indicator. Well, that's it for experiment 3. Don't forget your goggles, and we'll see you for experiment 4.